Welcome back. In this video, you'll learn how to use the Shokz OpenRun Pro to control the music. So, you have different buttons that you can use to control music. You have the multifunction button, and you have the volume up and volume down. So as you can see, my music is currently paused. So if I wanted to play it, I would press on this multifunction button once, wait for the beep, and the music will start playing. So as you can see, it's paused, press on it once, hear the beep, and the music will start playing. If I want to pause it, it's the exact same thing. Press, beep, pause. So press, beep, and pause. And so that's how you can pause and play your music. If you want to increase the volume of the music that you're currently playing, you have this volume up and volume down button. So whenever you press on volume up, the sound will be increased. You have to ensure that music is playing first. And then volume up, music volume will be increased. Volume down, volume will be decreased. If you want to skip to the next song, you want to double press on the multifunction button like this, double press, and the next song will play. If you want to go to the previous song, you want to triple press on this multifunction button and it will go back to the previous song. So 1, 2, 3. And you want to ensure that your clicks are evenly spaced and not all together, otherwise your music will just keep pausing and playing. So 1, 2, 3, and it will go back to the previous song. So it's up to you to decide how you're going to use these functions, but at least now you know how to use your Shokz OpenRun Pro to control the music. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.